Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be changing a headlight bulb on this Toyota Yaris 2009 model. So the location is just here. It's a H4 bulb, three-legged one. So we're gonna pull the connector out first. Right, now we're gonna remove the dust cap. So there are two clips to press, one on each side. There's one here. Just gonna push it, and then this one here. Okay, and then now I'm gonna pull the bulb out. Okay, as I mentioned, it's H4 three-legged bulb, headlight bulb. Right, this is the new bulb we bought from our local shop for £4. So when you are handling the new bulbs, make sure that you don't touch the lens. Right, so the bulb sits in like this. There we go. So the both sides of the clips are in place now. Now we're gonna fit the dust cap. Okay, and finally we're gonna push the connector in, just like that. That's the new headlight bulb fitted in no time. Okay, so just gonna test it now. There we go, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.